ready are you to accept the award here?
I'm never ready. Like I said last time also, my sister keeps saying, Didi, is your speech ready? And I've always said, don't anticipate or don't expect, because you never know. It's been a great year at the movies for everyone. I think there have been some really nice performances, and until that award is in my hand, I never have a speech ready. I've never planned a speech.
Good evening, Deepika. You are looking, वो कहते हैं ना दीवा, वो सही में आप लग रहे हो आज.
Thank you.
ये क्या?
Where's my chocolate?
Yeah, it's with me.
Give.
नहीं, मेरे पास. नहीं.
I'm wearing. Oh God, I'm wearing Naeem Khan. I'm wearing Naeem Khan.
Can you tell me कुछ अलग तरह से तैयार हुई हैं आप? ज्वेलरी यहाँ होनी चाहिए थी, वो ऊपर है.
See, y'all are doing all these stories now of me saying that I dress like Hollywood actresses and all. So now forget it. Now I'm not saying anything.
तो यानी you're a Hollywood actress now.
Huh?
हाँ. अब आप नहीं कह रही तो यानी वही हुआ ना.
Huh? No, he's talking about something else.
No, I'm talking about you.
No. So I've always been styled by Anaita Shroff. You all know that. And so she's put the look together. We've liked the gown. She had this idea of doing this whole Mang Tika look, keeping it a little ethnic and ethereal. So hopefully it works.
दीपिका, लग रहा है कि सारी जो अभिनेत्रियों हैं उनसे सारा जो फोकस है वो पूरी इंडस्ट्री का आप पर आ गया.
क्यों?
ऐसा सारी सबकी लोगों की ये.
हाँ. So many hits this year. So what you are expecting? I mean, कि क्या लगता है कि इस बार काफी लोगों को होप्स हैं कि बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस आपको ही मिलेगा.
Well, I hope so too. I've been nominated for all 3 of my films, 3 out of 4 films. So obviously I hope that I'll win. I think everyone who's nominated somewhere deep down inside obviously hopes that they will win. But like I was mentioning to her, it's not something that you plan. It's something that just, you know, if I win, then let's see.
दीपिका, you know शाहरुख से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, इवन तो उन्हें चोट लगी हुई है थोड़े दिन पहले, तो आप क्या कहेंगे, शाम को कैसे देख रहे हैं?
I'm not surprised. In fact, the day the accident happened, he was back to set. He went to the hospital, got treated, came back. So I'm not surprised that he's performing today. I'm like I said, I'm looking forward to Ranveer's performance. I'm looking forward to Akshay's performance, and I'm looking forward to meeting Shah Rukh.
Deepika.
I performed to what did I perform to? I performed to Khuda Jaane and Race 2 and Nagada Sang Dhol from Ramlila.
Deepika,
रिसेंटली आपने करण के शो पर कहा था कि आप और अनुष्का फ्रेंड हैं, लेकिन अनुष्का ने करण के शो पर कहा था कि शी इज नॉट फ्रेंड विद यू.
This is not Coffee with Karan, so I won't answer that question.
अरे रुको दीपिका, अरे रुको, तो बुलाना तो पड़ेगा ना. नहीं.
What are your Valentine's?
My Valentine, you be my Valentine.
Lucky Subhini say yes.
You're thinking?
No.
You're thinking? Forget it.
No.
My Valentine is one of my brand commitments actually. I've been associated with one of these brands for the last 6 years now, and so yeah, I'm going to be spending the whole day with them.
पर वो रिसेंट रिपोर्ट्स कहते हैं कि आपने सिंघम 2 के लिए बहुत हाई कोट किया था, इसकी वजह से वो फिल्म आपको नहीं मिली और वो करीना को गई है.
No, that film was never offered to me in the first place.
दीपिका, हम लोग आशा कर रहे थे कि इस साल आप शायद सलमान खान के साथ फिल्म करेंगे, लेकिन वो कुछ हो रहा है या किस तरह से?
No, doesn't look like it's happening.
तो फिर वैलेंटाइन पे मतलब सिर्फ आप उसका ही शूट करेंगे कमिटमेंट का?
Yes, and I'm shooting for Happy New Year simultaneously.
Okay.
You said one question, I came back.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
अच्छा, वैलेंटाइंस विश तो करिए. You're like every viewer is your.
You I'm not talking to because I asked you and you said no.
No.
So I'm very disappointed.
No.
Thank you.
Silence.
Sir, please pause.
एक और मांग के सर लास्ट Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
पीछे कर देने के
विवेक जी, आपने कहा आप नॉमिनेटेड हैं
जी।
तो सबसे कितने एक्साइटेड
यार मज़ा आ रहा है। दोनों फिल्मों के लिए नॉमिनेटेड हूँ मैं। ग्रैंड मस्ती के लिए मुझे बेस्ट कॉमिक एक्टर के लिए दिया है नॉमिनेशन मेरे दोस्त रितेश के साथ में, और बेस्ट नेगेटिव के लिए क्रिश के लिए। सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड हियर। I know, I'm really excited about that, and I can just see his better half is here. Hi, beautiful. So I'm really excited here. Ritesh and Abhishek did a fabulous job last year, so I think they'll do a really fun job this year too. It was very funny and very lively last year, so I'm pretty sure they'll do a great job this year too.
Despite the injury, Shahrukh is doing the small stage.
Shahrukh is a fighter like that. He's amazing. He doesn't let small injuries come in the way. He's somebody who's extremely inspired and extremely motivating also. So I expect nothing less than that.
वो कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? वैलेंटाइंस डे आप सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? मतलब आपकी पत्नी भी साथ में है?
यार हम तो हर रोज को वैलेंटाइंस डे की तरह ही सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। प्यार ज्यादा है
कुछ
इसीलिए।
विशेष उपहार आप इनको देना चाहें इस बार?
वो इनके लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Oh really? इनका सेपरेट है कुछ?
What weird questions? No.
Give center.
Your husband is hosting.
Yes.
What are you expecting?
The best. no, I think Ritesh and Abhishek have this great chemistry. I think it's better than me and Ritesh also at times. But I think that's what shows, and I think that's why the award show will be exciting. It's my first award show of the year, in fact, that I'm attending, and it honestly has a lot to do with Ritesh and Abhishek being there.
जिन्हें आप लोगों की प्रोडक्शन की जो मराठी फिल्म है उन्होंने भी काफी इस बार अच्छा किया, तो ये उसके लिए भी काफी आशाएं हैं आपको आज की अवार्ड के फंक्शन में भी?
Marathi films hai kya? They're nominated? Oh yeah, definitely. I hope. I mean, I think we won the best film at the Screen Awards, so hoping we're at the Z Awards as well.
जिन्हें कभी आप पोस्ट करेंगे कभी
कभी नहीं
कोई रीजन रितेश को साथ मिला देंगे आपके?
No, I don't. I'm not that talented as Ritesh.
क्या प्लान है वैलेंटाइंस को लेकर, शादी की?
That's for me to know and for you to find out.
अच्छा जिन्हें एक चीज हम लोग देख रहे हैं, कई अभिनेत्रियां अलग अलग अपना रूप या इमेज चेंज कर रही हैं इन दिनों। हमने सोनम का एक देखा जो लाइक प्रॉब्ली एक नए स्विम सूट में आ रही है वो, तो हैव यू सीन इट एंड ये क्यों लोग चेंज क्यों करते हैं अपनी इमेज?
I have no idea. Yeah, I'm sure everyone wants to try out something new, and I think as an actor you need to keep discovering yourself. So I think
पर कहीं ना कहीं जरूरी होता है कभी ना कभी एक एक्ट्रेस को स्विम सूट में आना?
मुझे पता नहीं है. I think it's the requirement of the director probably. Thank you.